wanted to speak about our suite of services, and it's truly sweet. We have a lot of marketing services for you, and we will create, when you become our customer, we will create free images for your website, free images for any printed material, anything that you want to use for marketing, along with descriptions. If you don't have your own descriptions for any of our jewelry, any of the jewelry that you purchase and use in the way that you want to, and the interesting thing about jewelry, it's really art, and it has different meanings to different people. So whatever our meaning is and our value, you may see it different. And that's fine, because that's what art is all about. It's all in the eye of the beholder. So we do provide you with our descriptions, our images. You can use them on your website. You can use them in online advertising. You use them in printed advertisement. Quite frankly, you can use them any place you'd like with our permission. We also will pre-format you banners that you can upload to Facebook that will promote your jewelry in your store, whether it's an online store, a fixed store, or if you do fairs and festivals. You can upload the artwork and let people know you're going to be on the festival, this festival, that festival, or this fair, and that you have a new line to launch, whether it is your online store or your brick and mortar store as it goes, or any other store that you have. So those will be pre-formatted to fit Facebook, and Facebook has rules. They're complicated, and we know what they are. We do that work for you. We save you hours, if not days, of time shooting the jewelry, organizing the jewelry, putting the right color, getting the right size and the right fit. We have in our suite all the images that you want, and we'll format it with your name, your email address, phone, whatever it is that you'd like, your company name on there. And that's for free. And that's with, of course, a purchase of jewelry. So those also can be formatted for emails. We'll create email banners for you and put all the jewelry, colorful, the words you want us to put up there. And the service is we're not going to spend days and days. We're going to help you out, get something nice that works for you, and put your name on it, get it out in an email, and put it on any other social media like Twitter or G+, or any other place that you use for social media, Pinterest. You can also, of course, as I said before, put it on your banner. This is actually a lot of work to put this together. Fortunately, we have a large database of years of images that we put together. We're happy to share that with you, so you don't have to do all that. And I honor you if you really enjoy doing that artwork. But to get your store up, running, turning the cash for you, and making money for you today, it's really click, 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 upload, click, put your price, put a small cart. And one of the things that's really critical and important here, you have a passion, whatever that passion is. And this is how some of our custom people, actually their original line of artwork they were making for 10 years, they transformed that into jewelry, which surpassed dollar-wise sales of their own product they made. These images, all of these tools help you get out in front of your friends, family, and other businesses that you target, that you have a passion for, quickly, fast, simple, and easy. This is Peter Stone with a suite of services that is a sweet deal for sure.